Are you too busy to spend hours and hours formatting a document and just wish it would take minutes? Well, let's look at some tips on how to do just that. So I have this document and it's looking, well, it's looking. So it looks like a lot of words. It's boring, it's dull, it doesn't matter what the content is, it's just terrible. But I just don't have time. It needs to go out right away. And so how can I format it? Well, there's a few tips here. The biggest one is this style. So on the Home tab, I have the styles. Now, if you click on the single arrow down, it takes you through one. But if you click on the arrow down with the line, it shows you these built-in styles. Don't worry if you don't like them. We can change some of the look and feel of them, again, very quickly, or we can take our time with it. This video, it's just on quick formatting, so we're just going to look at how to do this really quick. So at the very top, I have my title. There we go. And all you do is you have to click on the line and then choose the style. Now this is a heading and you have different level headings. Again, don't worry too much about the formatting right now. It will adjust once we finish. Okay, so I'm going to put that in there. And this one, I think I'm going to make this heading 2. So think of it like heading 1 is your main heading, heading 2 is a subheading. And you can have a heading 3, which is a subheading. Do heading 2. And you just go through your document and you are changing it. Actually, I'm going to make that heading 3. That's it. And you're changing the text to fit in. Okay? And at this point, my styles really aren't that different, so it's hard to distinguish between them. Oh, that's my table. Okay, so I've done that. I've just applied my text. There is also, other than headings, you have intense emphasis, there's quotes, there's a intense quote, a normal quote. So if I have some text that I think, oh yeah, I want to, here we go, I want to make this an intense quote, I can do that or not. Okay, and I can also clear the formatting from selected text if I accidentally applied it. But the normal font that's sitting in there, the normal style, is called normal. So if you mess up, you can always call it normal or clear the format. Okay, I want to quickly change the look. So I go up to, you have all these tabs. I'm going to go to the Design tab, and you can see in this document formatting, I have a few things. So I have this style set. I also have colors and fonts. I'm actually going to start with fonts and choose which one I want. Maybe I want to have Sedgwick here and Sedgwick Avenue. Maybe I want Montserrat. Maybe I want Georgia, Garamond, whatever. Any of these. Now you can see these are the built-in ones. I have 2 at the top for me. Okay. Oh, I think I'm going to go with that one. Then I can change to colors. And I can choose again the built-in ones, or at the top I have custom for my brand. But I might decide, oh, this one I want something a bit different. Okay, and if you would like videos on how to create custom colors and fonts, do put that in the comments. I believe I have one on custom colors in here. Okay, and then I have this overall style, and you can click on the single arrow, or as I said before with the other gallery, you have the drop down with a line, and I can actually see and go, ah, maybe I like that one. And just like before, you're not choosing necessarily something that's absolutely perfect, but you're choosing something that's pretty close. Okay, there we go. I'm going to choose this one, I think. And then what I'm going to do is, I actually don't want the title to be that big. It's huge. So I'm just going to go back to home and prep for this, and I'm going to highlight this text. Quick way to highlight the whole paragraph is to triple click. So click 3 times without moving your mouse. It selects the whole paragraph. Now I'm going to select the size that I want. Maybe I want it to be just 24. There we go. Now I'd like to apply that to the title. So I go back, I find the title, I just right mouse click on it, don't left mouse click, because then it's just going to apply the old style. These are called styles. So I'm just going to right mouse click on it, and I am going to ask it to update the title style to match the selected text. So I do that. Now that text is looking good, and if I go to the bottom and say add, and it comes out with that smaller font, not the big font that it was there earlier. So these styles, they are so easy to use. They're very quick to apply, and as you saw, you can go back into the design, change the colors, the look, etc. There is a lot more. You can go in and change them or create new ones, and there's different types. If you're interested in finding out more, please do put that in the comments, and I'll create other videos doing that. And if you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, please do click on the thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of my videos, then do subscribe to the channel. Now there should be links to subscribe and links for another video as well if you'd like to watch more videos now. Take care, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye for now.